Many have asked me how to avoid gaining weight during the quarantine. The question often comes from those who routinely go to the gym. In this video, I describe my push-up pyramid routines from easy to extreme. I will reveal my secrets of going from 10 push-ups to 1,000 push-ups in my daily routine. Hello everyone, this is Juan Sarmiento. In this video, I will demonstrate how to get started with your push-up routine. Then, I will show you how to transition from a few easy push-ups to various levels of intensity, depending on your physical fitness. But before I do that, be sure to like this video, subscribe to this YouTube channel, and click on the bell so you won't miss anything. The secret is the push-up pyramid. With it, you will progress quickly from an easy incline push-up to an intense full range routine. Remember this, when I started my routine, I was obese and could hardly do a few easy incline push-ups. Now I do more than 1,000 of the most intense push-ups. I was never inclined to do much exercise in my life. But once I started to do my exercise while fasted, I discovered an endless source of energy in my own body fat. I strongly recommend that you train while fasting, eating only one meal a day, or OMAD. What is the maximum number of reps that you can do in a row? Here I show a maximum of 10 push-ups in the easy incline position. Use the staircase in your house or apartment, or use a chair or sofa for support. Now divide your maximum push-up count by 2. If your maximum is 10 reps in a row, you should be able to do a pyramid of 5. If you do 12 reps in a row, you could do a pyramid of 6, and so on. I will refer to a pyramid with a maximum of 5 reps as a pyramid of 5. In it, the reps are increased like the steps in a pyramid until reaching a maximum of 5 push-ups. Then, you step down to 4, 3, 2, and 1. Note that you take breaks with your arm motion that correspond to the number of push-ups. This may help the circulation of your arms and chest, setting you up for the next push-ups. One pyramid of 5 immediately more than doubles your total number of reps from 10 to 25. However, you could do several more pyramids during the daily routine. Start with a pyramid of 5, then take a 5-minute break, and then repeat and break until you complete 4 pyramids for a total of 100 push-ups. Don't get overly ambitious. Take your time to build your pyramids slowly. You don't want to be in pain the next day and miss your next workout. You can also try 2 pyramids of 5 and 2 pyramids of 4 at first. Whatever works for you. When the exercise in the staircase does not seem too challenging, you may want to move to the flat floor. Don't do your routine in plain floor or even carpet. This may cause injury to your knees and hands. I use interlocking foam exercise mats to comfortably go from push-ups to the kneeling position. I also use 2 yoga mats to avoid hand and feet injuries. For this least demanding push-up level, I use a towel. Notice that at the bottom of my push-up, my forehead touches the towel. Your hands should be at shoulder level. This is not full range of motion and therefore only moderately intense. With time and training, I was able to do regularly 1,600, 2,025, and on occasion 2,500 push-ups in a single session. These were pyramids of 40, 45, and 50 respectively. If you ever get that high, it's probably time to move on to a more intense approach. Your routine has become more endurance and less intensity when you do so many replicates for more than 1 hour. To increase intensity, all you need to do is to increase the range of motion. Then you can reduce the number of reps and thus decrease the time working out. To do that, I remove the towel. At my lowest point in the exercise, my nose and my belly touch the yoga mat, but my chest is still a couple of inches over the mat. In addition, my hands are spread out at shoulder level. This is significantly harder and intense. With this approach, I was able to do 1,225 push-ups routinely, as shown in my previous video linked to the top right corner of your screen. This routine takes around 80 minutes and can be completed with a pyramid of 35. Remember, you can always start at a higher level if you wish, doing multiple pyramids of 5, 6, or 10, depending on your fitness. Little by little, you could increase the number of pyramids or the number of replicates per pyramid. You will be surprised by the exponential growth of your replicates with the pyramid system. Soon enough, you will be occupying up to 1 hour of push-ups and ready to increase their intensity. Next, to increase the range of motion, I support myself on dumbbells. This raises my body about 2 inches. In addition, you'd notice that I'm pushing my body forward. At my lowest point, I touch the floor with my chin and my chest as well. This is a more intense exercise for which I am training myself. Again, I use the multiple pyramid approach to complete 1 hour workout. I can comfortably do pyramids of 8 to 10. This push-up routine is particularly demanding on your chest and triceps and even affects your abdominals. How many times a week should you work out? Is it important to take a break for recovery? I believe that it is important to do some kind of exercise every day. In normal situations, I do hiking twice a week and my push-up routine 5 times a week. But with the quarantine situation, I have been doing push-ups every day. To further increase the range of motion, you can use the perfect push-up equipment. Further, you can use rotation as an additional form of complexity. It is said to engage more muscle groups. But to be honest, I have not gone as far as using the rotation at all. This will certainly be a way to increase my push-up complexity in the future. Increasing intensity is important because high-intensity interval training, particularly when done in the fasted state, promotes autophagy. This is the intracellular recycling mechanism that favors your immune system and helps prevent infectious diseases. Please be sure to watch my other videos about 1 meal a day because it is an integral part of my performance achievements at my age, or any age for that matter. Push-ups already engage a variety of muscles in your body, from shoulders to your legs. Another way to increase intensity and engage other muscles is to reduce the distance between your hands. Using a small bench, I can reduce the range of motion just a little while increasing the intensity overall. If you have difficulty keeping your balance, you can spread your legs and finding support like a tripod. This approach engages your back a little more. Once again, you can start with a small pyramid until you gain confidence. When When I began to lose weight using the OMAD regimen, I felt that my body was demanding more intense exercise. I knew then that walking for over 90 minutes was not going to do it. The Pushup Pyramid provided the high-intensity interval training my body was craving. The Pushup Pyramid changed my life. With it, I was able to build my upper body muscles and finally remove those unmanly man boobs I so hated. But building strength goes beyond physical appearance. The intensity of the push-up pyramids will encourage your growth hormone and testosterone secretion. Both these hormones are very important for vitality at my age, or any age for that matter. This is Juan Sarmiento reminding you that life is looking up. Thank you.